So just off Fox Creek Road, Brandon, Matt, John, and I found this trail, 311A. Totally unexpected. This trail is about half an hour southwest of Laramie, so it was pretty close, which was nice. So the trail starts off in this pretty decent incline. Kind of off camber, but nothing too exciting. At the beginning, this trail is just pretty much flat plains, some water crossings, a few trees. You kind of get some views, which is kind of nice. And honestly, at this point, I had no idea how difficult this trail was going to get on the second half. As we were driving across the trail, I noticed a little black bear cub crossing. I couldn't get my camera out fast enough, so this is about the only footage I got of it. Mama bear was nowhere in sight. To this point, it's pretty much just been a little bit of loose rocks, some dirt. We did find this little mud puddle, which is a little fun to play around in. Matt is driving a stock Toyota Tacoma, which he had no problems doing any of this trail. This turn right here is taking us down 552, which eventually will lead to 528 and back down to Woods Landing. You crest this hill and you get this view of where Laramie is. This is the point where the steep downgrades become more apparent and can make you feel a little bit uneasy. This little hill here was pretty fun to climb. I don't know what degree this angle is, but I set my camera up level so you guys can kind of get the idea of what the incline was on this. Pretty cool. These downhill sections seem to get steeper and steeper, and each one of them has loose rocks on them that the Jeep just slides across. Kind of gives you that pucker factor. Part of this trail was pretty washed out coming down the hill, which made it a little sketchy, but it's easy to navigate through. And there you go, guys. That's it. Not too difficult, but I'll leave a link to the track for this trail in the description. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.